Ugh, I'm bored out of my mind. Is that a 4? Ugh, I give up. How is Naomi keeping so busy? That water is calling my name. Oh, it's on. Psst. What? I think a bug flew into your water. Really? A bug? I got her right where I want her. Just keep looking. See anything now? Huh? Why do I smell the ocean? And check out these gorgeous fins! Wow! Earth to Naomi. Enjoy your swim. Ugh, whatever. That was a stupid prank anyway. Huh? What's this? Seashells? Do they go with this box? It sure is pretty. Hey there! What you got there? Oh, nothing. Want this? Nah, got green. Oh, I don't know. I don't think so. Sorry. How sad. Here, take this. No thanks. See you later. Weird girl. Very weird. Hair. Ugh. What is all this stuff anyway? And who does it belong to? What the? Gross. Ugh. Whatever. This is all junk. But wait, what's this stuff? I think I can use these. Maybe some new fins, perhaps? Let's do this. I can just sew these on. I'll need way more than one, though. Second sequin coming right up. Look at what these can do. Look at how they glimmer. Time to put them on. They look like fins, don't you think? Like a real mermaid. But the outfit's not quite ready. Time to jazz up these things. Sparkle glue to the rescue. And this ocean blue is perfect. Almost done here. Do these look like fins yet? 'Cause they sure feel like fins. Well done, glue gun. Ugh. Is that another hole? How embarrassing. Mermaids don't wear torn clothes. Look at that tool. I'm suddenly inspired. Let the creation begin. Ta-da! Now this is more mermaid-like. No holes here. I feel like a mermaid princess. It fits me like a dream. But some flowing hair would help. Oh, there it is. Nothing says mermaid like long flowing locks. Gah, stupid tangle! Hello, Naomi. Yeah, I'm coming in. It sure is beautiful in here. Or maybe not. So sorry. What's with the hair, girl? It's an interesting style. But there's something stuck in it. Well, yes, it's a mess, okay? My stupid comb. Say no more. Let me help you. Oh no, anything but that! Get that thing away from me! Ugh, so moist. I've got more. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. Really? Whoa! So smooth! I can't believe it! Don't mention it. Next up, makeup! My favorite part. Just look at these colors. Let's use them all. Ready? Uh-oh. Achoo! What? Oh no! Ugh. A warning would have been nice. Wow! This looks magical! The pearls, the sparkle! So gorgeous! Thank you! Huh? Oh sure, no prob. Anyway, see you later. Bye! I want a closer look. Wow, I love it! Wait. I want a cool hair clip. No fair. My hair's so bare without it. Ooh, what's that? I sure love this color. Things are suddenly looking up. Yikes, these scissors are sharp. Pearls! Can't have enough of these. And just like that, my hair is even more fabulous. Can you believe it? Mermaid-tastic! This look really came together. From head to toe… fins. I might just need some sand and waves. Nicely done! Introducing the new and improved Naomi. Ah, this breeze is superb. Nothing like being by the water. So much sand. I think I see something. What are you doing under here? And with no legs? You poor thing! We need to find your legs. Not acceptable. Shells ought to do the trick. Hey, we're at the beach, right? The glue will keep him in place. Lots of glue, that is. So, what do you think, Barbie? A little glitter, perhaps? Definitely adds a little magic. You can't even see the shells. I'm actually kinda jealous. Look at all that shimmery goodness. She's coming home with me. Aren't you so lucky I found you? Just a couple of mermaid besties. I wonder if you're waterproof. Oh no! That certainly won't do. You're ruining the whole look. I just can't get it all off. Phew. Oh no! I got a little carried away here. Why did I do that? Huh? What on earth is that? Not the comfiest pillow. But that may work in our favor. Here you go. Good as new. Wow, I'm good. I almost like these better. They really catch the light, see? Beautiful. I love you, Barbie. But I'm not big on all that dirt. What is all that gunk? I'll clean you up, don't worry. You'll have shiny locks in no time. That sure is a lot of dirt. Just look at all of it. Brushing's not gonna be enough. It's bath time. Just sit back and relax. I'm gonna clean you up nice. You like bubbles, right? It feels good to be helpful. Geez, that water is murky. So much dirt. Will you ever get clean? I can't save that hair. It won't hurt a bit, see? Ew. Hope you like pink. Because I've got lots of it. No dirt in this hair. Now this looks so much better. And not a speck of dirt in sight. You're welcome. Huh? What's that now? Here, tell me again. Oh, I hear you loud and clear. Your skin is still dirty, huh? Ew. Well, I guess we're not done. Hang tight. I think a scrubbing is in order. And a little moisture can't hurt. Just a little goes a long way. Here you go. Feels nice, doesn't it? I have a teeny tiny face mask for you. Okay. 3, 2, 1. All done. Wow! You're seriously glowing, girl! Ooh. But wait. We need a fun detail or two. Or maybe like 9 or 10. So cute, right? I just love it! You finally are looking like yourself. A good clean is all you needed. That and a little pizzazz, of course. Mermaid magic, I'd say. I'm so glad I could help you. Mwah! Love you, Barbie. Could you use a little mermaid magic? Just add a little bit of sparkle to your everyday look. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on all our great tips and tricks.